Hi guys, this is Priyanka Sharma and I'm a professional makeup artist. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back, and if you are new here, welcome back to my channel. As you already know, Valentine's Day is coming, so I created this cute and soft makeup look using this Chumsy Milano palette. It's a worldwide brand which is trying to set up in Indian market, so I thought of giving them a try and bought this palette for this video. This throughout the video you will see which shades I have used to create this look, and at the end of a video I will share my review and swatches for this palette. If you are new here, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. I post makeup looks, tutorial, reviews and short, so your support would mean a lot to me. With all that said, let's get started now. So today I'm not starting with MAC Fix Plus. Instead of that, I have picked up this moisturizer from Face Shop. It's in the range, it's in the calendula range, and I'm applying it all over my face and my neck to prep my skin. It's Valentine Day, so we can't leave our lips like that, so make sure that you are prepping it well. I am applying a Laneige lip mask here to prep my lips well because they are very dry and dehydrated at this moment. I'm focusing more on the skin today, so I don't want any of my acne marks peeping out of my foundation. So I'm gonna color correct well. I have acne marks, so I'm using MAC corrector. I always take the product on back of my hand, warm the product and then apply it on the skin with the help of my finger. I'm applying the orange corrector on all the acne marks, also on my pigmented areas, that is under the eyes, near the lips, and also on my eyelids. My eyelids are pretty dark, so instead of using concealer there, I first color correct it and then go on with the foundation. Whenever you want your skin to have that inner kind of a glow, make sure that you are applying the strobe cream before you apply the foundation. So here I am using MAC strobe cream in the shade Pink Light and applying it on the highest point of my cheeks. One thing I would like to tell you that whenever you are going on an event, please don't experiment with new products. Just stick to what you have been using for a long time. So I picked up my Nars foundation, mixed the shade Punjab and Barcelona and applying it all over my face, and then gently dabbing it with my beauty blender so that it gives a very natural finish to the look. I also apply my foundation on my eyelids because I don't like the look of concealer, like how we use a concealer in the lighter shade and it just stands out from the overall skin tone. So I stick to my foundation and apply it on my eyelids as well. I want a bit of highlighting under my eyes, so I am taking this concealer from Too Faced and applying it with a small brush, flat brush. Just have a look at the amount of product I am using. You don't have to put so much of product under your eyes because your skin is already very delicate there. So make sure that you are using very less product and blending it well with a beauty blender. Okay, so at this point I was missing my Fix Plus very much, so I ended up using it I just can't do my makeup without it. It's such an essential product for me. I sprayed it all over my face and then I'm gently dabbing it on my skin using this beauty blender from drugstore company. Now I'm gonna move on to the next step, that is setting my face. So before you set your under eye area, make sure that you are dabbing your finger and getting rid of the creases. Then I'm gonna take powder in this small blending brush and gently apply it under my eyes and the rest of my face. I have not powdered the area where I have applied the strobe cream because I want that glow on my face. I don't want harsh contour line for this look because this look is very soft and a cute kind of look. So I'm just applying a little bit of Hoola bronzer on my face and blending it with a blending brush. This is a Valentine's Day look and I want my cheeks to look little bit rosy, so I have picked up this shade. I picked up this blush from K Beauty. The shade name is Dusty Rose and applying it on apples of my cheeks and taking it upwards. If you have watched my previous video, you know that I can't stay without beauty blender. It's such an essential part of my makeup routine. I use my beauty blender after every step. Moving on to the eye makeup, I am picking this silver and pinkish shade from M.A.C palette and applying it from inner corners till mid of my eyes using this flat brush. Just take any flat brush and place the product on your eyelids. Now I am picking up this shimmery shade which looks like a mauvey pink and applying it on the outer corner of my eyes. We want a little bit of depth in the outer corner, so I have picked up this shade and applying it on the outer corner using this flat brush. I am also gonna take this product in my crease area. Like you can see in the video, I am using that shade and taking it in the crease line. Whenever you are doing your eye makeup, make sure that you are taking very little bit of product, because if you take too much of product, it will be very hard to blend it and it will look very harsh as well. I wanted to create the whole eye makeup using this same palette, so I am picking up this matte shade from this palette and applying it as a liner using my pencil brush. Earlier I wanted to create this look using Charlotte Tilbury palette, but it's very expensive, so I ended up using this M.A.C Milano palette. It is also a new brand which is trying to set up in Indian market, so I thought of giving it a try. Now I am using the same shade which we have used for the outer corner and applying it with a tiny brush on my lower lash line. I just got my eyebrows done, so they are in a good shape right now. So I'm just gonna fill them using this eyebrow palette from L'Oreal. It also comes with a brush, like a very tiny brush, so I'm using the same brush. I am using the highlighter from PAC Cosmetics and applying it on my brow bones. as well as in my inner corners to brighten up my eyes. Finishing off the eye makeup, I am applying mascara from Maybelline on my upper and lower lash lines. I wanted my lips to look pink, nude kind of a look. So I am applying a MAC Meher lipstick here. Then I have picked up this nude shade from M.A.C itself and applying it over MAC Meher so that it will give the pinkish nude kind of effect to the lips, which will go really well with the eye makeup we have done. If you are going out on Valentine's Day, make sure that you use transfer proof lipstick. I have not used it here because I was just recording a look for you. So this is the final look. I really like the combination of silver and pink. This is definitely a makeup look which you girls can try this Valentine's Day. Coming to the review, the packaging of this palette is quite sturdy and easy to carry. As you guys can see, this is a mini palette which comes with 4 shades. 3 shades are in the pink family and this one appears golden on the screen. However, it does have reflexes of pink. The eyeshadows are quite pigmented. I have recorded this outro after a couple of hours, so the stay of this eyeshadow is quite great. With this price point, this palette is a hit for me. If you like this look, please don't forget to like this video as it will help me reach more and more people. Also share it with your friends who love makeup related content. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle will be mentioned right here. I really hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye.
This is the neighborhood, and you are not welcome.
That's funny to be here.
I upload makeup.
रुक क्यों गए? मैं बोल रहा था जोर बोलना है.
If you are new here,
इतना भी नहीं पागल.